The ROVSUN 8000 BTU window air conditioner and heater is a versatile unit, providing efficient cooling and heating for spaces up to 350 square feet. It features an intuitive LED display with multiple modes and fan speeds, along with a convenient timer and energy-saving options for optimal performance. The unit seamlessly integrates with smart home systems, offering control through a phone app or voice commands with Alexa and Google Assistant. Installation is straightforward thanks to the included side panels and detailed instruction manual, accommodating window widths from 26 to 36 inches and a height of 16 inches. Designed with user convenience in mind, the unit includes a washable filter accessible from the front panel, allowing easy maintenance and continued efficiency. With a 1-year warranty and responsive customer service, ROVSUN ensures a satisfying experience and stands confidently behind the quality of their product.